What's happening right now in NIO?
Let's see what's going on. Remember to read the disclaimer right here, also in the description below. Very interesting, this parallel channel that we have right here, this kind of descending channel. The price is approaching this lower part of this chart. So what do you think, guys? Do you think it will reach that level and bounce from here? Will it continue going lower in this downtrend that we have been talking about it in previous videos? What do you think? Let us know in the comments. Welcome to Trading HT. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's get started.
Yeah, obviously the technical analysis, it doesn't look good, according to this pattern. Normally a downtrend like this is a weekly chart actually we were watching. So
Mhm.
obviously this downtrend is being, holding for a while. Let's take a look at it. We're talking about, more than 1200 days. That's a lot. And minus 92% from last highs. So that's a huge downtrend, I gotta say. But obviously you gotta be patient because the problem is like we have the Chinese crisis, we have like another news that we just received, Enrique, and this not positive as well.
Yeah, we have some news about NIO just cut delivery estimates, and like they were expecting to ship as many as 33,000 vehicles in the quarterly period, and now they see only about 30,000 units to be delivered. So maybe this could be another reason behind it. What do you think about it, guys? And also we could talk about the electric vehicle market being kind of already saturated because we have a lot of companies, and it's not like the hype is not the same as previously, so maybe that's also related with this price action. I want to know your opinion, guys. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and if you have like extra information or something you want to share with us, feel free to do it because we are always happy to learn from you also.
Yeah, you mentioned something very important, competition. I think I said it like 6 months ago as well in one of the videos. Like, okay, remember guys, Tesla is going to perform worse because and other EV stocks because there is a lot of competition because all the makes like Mercedes, Benz, things like that, they didn't have cars. They didn't have EVs. So in the end, now they have them. And that's more
Mhm.
competition. And not only
Yeah,
them, but all of them. Like all
yeah,
makes are now making EV cars. So EVs,
that's
that's the thing.
that's very interesting, and I want to talk a little bit about it because when you have a market that already exists, I mean, a lot of clients are buying like the usual type of car, the
Mhm.
usual. Maybe they have Mercedes, they have a BMW. It doesn't matter, but they try to go for that, So when they change the car or they want a new one, and they have that confidence, so maybe they are not going to buy like another type of vehicle, or maybe they are not sure about the electric vehicles because that's they have to change also not only of type of vehicle but also from company. So in this case, when they offer in the same company as they are, maybe they go that way. So what do you think about it, guys? Do you think that's also a reason for these electric vehicle stocks going lower and not going as higher as expected previously? And for instance, let's go with the forecast of NIO because I think it's very interesting to see what analysts we have here. 27.
Yeah, that 27. That's a lot. Yeah, what we can tell you guys is like right now it's oversold. We all know that, and that's one of the things that you should consider about the EV stocks. They are being oversold like this one, like NIO, but I remember there are other stocks suffering the same downtrend. And the thing here is like I think it's very similar to what happened with the renewable energy companies. Like there was a huge hype in 2008, and then the hype was gone in 2012, and all these stocks were plummeting like minus 80, minus 90%. So remember, guys, like I like to be a contrarian investors. Like when things are going down, I like to see opportunities. So you should consider finding opportunities in all these makes, like NIO, like or other stocks, Rivian. You have to analyze them closely, their revenues, and you have to see if they're gonna make it. How they're gonna how they're gonna perform in the coming years. And if you see that the EPS are going to improve, if you see that they're gonna make less negative income, that would be positive, and maybe that's a good entry.
Yeah, so according to this 27th analyst, we have like the average plus 57%, a maximum one of plus 200%. So they seem very bullish about this stock. So what do you think, guys? Do you agree with them? Do you have a different opinion? And for instance, we can see the annual EPS forecast. We can clearly see that 2024, 2025, it's time better. And in 2027, we have the estimate around minus 0.28, very close to to zero in that type of scenario, where maybe in 2008, 2028, we could see like that positive estimate. We don't know it yet. We will see how the forecast develops during these years and also during these months. But we don't have to go that far because right now we are in 2024. We are starting the year. So let's go back to the chart and see with more detail this trading channel that we have right here and the previous levels. Very interesting. We mentioned in the previous video this line right here around 5.40. We can clearly see that we lost that level right there, and I think that was something that a lot of investors were looking at, that level, because in the past we can see like it acted as support and resistance multiple times.
A very strong one indeed. And now the next one is the $4 area. You can clearly see right here that it was like a resistance level back in the days in 2019, 2020. So obviously that could act as a support right now. But if we lose it, and I don't think we will lose it based on this channel, based on technical analysis, at least we see some sort of a rebound in the short term from the $4 area. Then we will see. But at least according to the downtrend channel, according to this support level, it should be a strong one.
Yeah, what do you think about it, guys? Do you follow this technical analysis? Do you have different opinions? Let us know in the comments. And for instance, let's change from because we're using right now the logarithmic scale. As usual, we tend to use that one for longer time frames and volatility. And if we, put the non-logarithmic scale, we can see a completely different scenario where this seems like it has completely crashed to the downside, That's why using the logarithmic scale gives you a different perspective.
Yeah, exactly. I recommend you to analyze stocks with logarithmic scale as well as Enrique, because the thing is like you can see the whole perspective. Because I think professional traders use logarithmic scale instead of automatic, linear, because you can clearly see all the details. Like you can see all the support areas better. Right now, here is after a huge uptrend, you don't see anything.
Yeah, it's completely different when you change the perspective, and maybe you can analyze both if you have time to do it, and you can choose by your own which one do you prefer. But personally, I think that analyzing both, it's crucial because you have like that extra information that could be that could make the difference in this case.
Yeah, actually,
so,
you wanna use TradingView, which is the platform we're using. You have here a link in the video description with a special discount, especially made for you.
Yeah, that affiliate link, so in that way you can also help us and you get that benefit. I think it's like a special discount, something like that. You can check it in the link below. Thank you very much. And also remember to subscribe. I know that you already did, and if you didn't, come on, we know that a lot of you watch our videos and are not subscribed. We like that you watch our videos, but we would like also you to become an honest trader, part of the community.
Honest traders.
So we can all learn together. Thank you very much. Have a nice week. New videos incoming. Let us know in the comments if you want different stocks for us to analyze or different topics that we can talk about. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
Take care.